Hey, so this is the second part of the automation for Lemlist to Attio. In previous video, we were analyzing the LinkedIn replies. In this automation video, we will be analyzing the email replies. It can be positive, wrong contact, or out of office. So here we have the automation. The trigger is same. We will be watching the activities of LinkedIn, and we will be checking with the filter, like if the email is replied, we will analyze the results in ChatGPT. We are parsing the JSON, and then we have filters. If it is a positive response, wrong contact, or out of office. If it is a positive response, we will create or update the person in Attio. We will also create notes for that person. We will create the deal. We will create the task. And if it is a wrong info, we will create or update the person in Attio, and we will put that person in wrong contact list. And if it is out of office, we will create or update the person in Attio. We will put the notes, and we will create a task like this is a wrong, this is out of office. Go with the follow-up one more time. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you want something like this, just ping me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail ID. See you in next video. Thank you.